Good day everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome to a new video where in today's one we're talking about the Zapier website. And in the first video I'll be showing you guys how can you sign up and then log in for your Zapier account. So let's jump right into it. First of all, open up zapier.com on your preferred browser and preferred device. From the home page, as you can see right here, you can start free with your email or with Google. Any other options you can also find in the sign up option in the top right corner. So once you click on sign up, you will choose one of the options and then click on get started for free. And once I fill in all this information, I'll get back to you. Now make sure to select your role on your account. Let's say marketing and marketing operative. What's your company size? What's your job level? If you need this, you can also skip the question if you do not want it. And top apps for marketing, that will show you right here. So if you want to select some apps right off the bat, you can do it in this window. I'll just skip it for now. And that's it. Now I'm on the home page of my Zapier account, and now you can start by creating your Zapiers or just browsing the application itself. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.